folks, JD here. How's everyone's week been last week? Good? Good. Right. So this week, just before I show you exactly what's coming up, I just want to say I realise that for a lot of people my videos have altered. They've gone into 2 and 3 parts. What do you think of that? Do you enjoy it? The reason I'm doing it is because I want to showcase the drone, the car, whatever, from every angle. Multiple flights, rather than doing one flight, saying that's great, taking the drone back out and it doesn't respond well the second time. So this is why I'm doing the unboxing and then maybe 2 or 3 flights, one after each other. I think it's good. Look at all aspects, look at everything to do with the drone. What do you guys think? I haven't had a lot of feedback from it, so let me know. Let me know. Let me know. So this week, what have we got? We've got all this. We've got loads of stuff. So I thought this week I would go into something a little bit more and let's just do review, flight, unboxing. Let's just nail it. Let's just get it out there. Something a little bit different. So let's try this. Let's see how this goes. I've got lots more stuff coming in. If you've asked me to get you a drone or a car, they're on their way, folks. I've still got a backlog to get through. So if you haven't seen yours and you've asked me for it a few weeks ago, don't despair. It is on its way. It's just going to take a little while until it gets into being on one of these days. Just because I want to nail it every single time. As soon as you say that you want me to get something, then you're on that particular part of the list at that particular place, and then the more and more people that ask me things, they end up going further on down the list. So I'll get through to all of you eventually. It's just going to take a little bit of time to do it. Right then, my friends, I'm going to stop waffling. Have a great weekend. Have a great lunch hour. Hope it all goes well. I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you very, very soon on the next video. Thanks, folks. Take care. Happy flying.